Hi, Mrs. Johnston back, and we're going to be working with application and learning more about plants. And so I've got our image of a city which has many different types of plants that we can view. We see some trees, we have some flowers, some grass. How do you know plants are living things? Did you say that we know plants are living things because they need food, water, air, and light in order to live? Remember, environment is a place where living things live. There are many different kinds of environment on this earth. Remember, we saw a picture of a forest, underwater, in the desert. Why do plants look different or look different depending on the place where you find them? Did you remember that plants look different because in a desert, they are very dry and they only need a little bit of water to survive? Maybe you remembered the underwater plants. Those plants needed a lot of water. Think about the environments and how many produces of different kinds of plants that they have. Or maybe plants become habitants. Remember, in our read aloud, you heard there are many different kinds of people, animals, and plants that live in our world. Here, plants mean living things that have leaves and roots and make their own food. Plants can also mean other things. Plants also means put seeds into the ground. Plants can also mean manufacturing buildings or factories where people make things. Turn to your neighbor, or if you're at home, mom and dad, grandma and grandpa, older brother or a sister, and see if you can use the word plants to describe each of those meanings. So, the tree is a plant that lives in the forest. That was explaining meaning number one. I put the pumpkin seed in the ground. I which is the second meaning, means to plant, to put something in the ground. And I used to work at a factory, a plant, a manufacturing building of that makes products for cars or vacuums. That would be meaning number three.